Rhode Island House Republicans say they will immediately file legislation to address what they're calling extremely pressing educational challenges brought on by the coronavirus.
12 News reporter Courtney Carter was at the State House this afternoon and joins us with their plans.
House Republicans are saying parents are in a bind and need options, which is why they're hoping to pass new legislation before the school year starts. Representative Michael Chippendale and House Minority Leader Blake Philippi came together on Thursday to say they believe in-person learning is the best option for students and parents.
We're hearing that parents are struggling, obviously, with the work scenario, whether they're working from home or having to stay home because there's no possible way for the children to be cared for during the day.
The Republican plan they'll be presenting will establish education savings accounts, also known as ESAs, funded by tax dollars, including tapping into the CARES Act, but would be managed by families to provide two options, they say. One if parents still want to distance learn, and one if parents want to try to switch their child's district.
And where their children start to fall behind or maybe struggling already, or additionally because of this, they should be able to hire additional help, such as a tutor. We want parents to be able to have the ability to say, okay, where am I going to send my child for school? They will have the choice now if their district is closed. These options will now be made available to those families.
They say the legislation is intended to ensure that Ocean State children do not fall behind from remote learning.
Because there are parents who do feel very strongly that their child must have that social interaction. They must be in that school because they just aren't thriving in the distance learning environment. By following standard legislative procedures, we could enact this legislation within 7 to 10 days.
Now, I did reach out to House Speaker Nicholas Mattiello's office, and they say they have no comment at this time. I am still awaiting comment from the governor's office. I'm Courtney Carter, 12 News.